to have ice because we need to keep our product fresh. Be the cooler room for vegetables, but in fish, we know that ice is very important to keep the fish fresh. If it's a full sunny day, you can produce ice within 2 hours.
Opu emphasized that the EU-STREIT PNG program with its partners provides critical support for fishing households to improve their incomes, improve food and nutrition security, and is working on enhancing post-harvest processing and also market access.